Hello YouTube, Chris the Frugal Audiophile here with you. Got another unboxing, and today we're going to be checking out the Topping DX3 DAC headphone amp combo. So we got a piece of foam on top, pluck that away. Let's check out the remote first. So the reason I got this is because I am in the market for a new desktop DAC. I've had my Emotiva Little Ego for, oh gosh, 5 or 6 years now, and it's a fine DAC, but it's time for a new one. And also, I want to cut down on some clutter on my desktop. I've talked about that a little bit before, but I have the Little Ego and then the Monolith Alex Cavelli headphone amplifier, and it's just a lot of cables. There's your remote, pretty standard remote that comes with a lot of these Topping and SMSL devices, so that's what that is. Set that aside. And you know, that DAC's nothing bad, but it's getting a little long in the tooth. So I think for that reason and for the purposes, and look, oh good, they sent me the right power adapter. I've heard that some people have gotten the European rather than the American when they ordered it in the American market. Is that removable? I think it is, but nah, I'm not going to mess with it right now. But anyway, so I'm hoping by adding in a new DAC that we will kind of help clean up some of the clutter on my desktop. In a Ziploc, nonetheless, we have our USB cable. Looks like this is USB A to B. Not USB-C on this one. Oh well. Here's your instruction manual. Pluck it. Here's the unit itself. So I actually ordered two different models. I ordered this one and the FIO K7, so stay tuned for an unboxing of that. I'm just kind of going to do a comparison, see which one I like better, and then choose that one. Oh, nice. Very clicky turn wheel. I kind of like it. This is also, I think, your power button, your menu button, your volume button, multifunction button there. Yeah, here's the headphone jack. Now, this is a 3.5 millimeter unbalanced, but I'm not like super into headphones, so I think I'm going to be okay with that. We will see when I do the review of it, but yeah, I really like this. Very shiny metal. Ooh, there's kind of like a little curvature indentation here. That's cool. Yeah, nice looking, heavy feeling unit. So I'm curious to see how this is going to compare with the FIO K7. Stay tuned for an unboxing of that, and then my video reviewing both these products. But for now, I thank you so much for watching this video. I thank you for your ongoing support. Be sure to check out my Patreon and buy me a cup of coffee. I fixed the links for those. A couple of them were broken, but they should be good to go now. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification.